How to see your interaction on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on this menu icon at the top right corner. Head over to your activity. It will land you on this interface. At the very first, you'll find the option of interactions, and inside interaction, many different options will be visible to you. Let me head over to likes. Well, in this page, you'll get to see all of the posts that you have liked on Instagram. Likewise, go back and head over to comments. It will show you all the lists that you have made on Instagram. Now simply go back and head over to tags. It will show you all the posts that you have been tagged on Instagram. You can see that I don't have any posts that I have been tagged on. Likewise, you can head over to any of the other options and see the interaction that you have made on Instagram, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can see your interaction on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.